In this video, I'll show you how to fix Xbox 360 disc tray not opening. Firstly, turn off the console completely and unplug it from the power source for a minute. Plug it back in and turn it on to see if the tray works. Inspect the disc tray area to ensure that all physical objects are blocking it and locate the manual eject hole. Insert a paper clip or similar object into the hole to release the tray manually. Use compressed air to blow out dust or debris that might be causing the issue, and perform a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds until the console turns off. Turn it back on and check the disc tray. If the problem persists, contact Xbox support for a certified repair technician to address the issue without risking further damage. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.